Hello students, welcome back to my video. So today we will start the next topic, that is area. Okay, so what is called area? Area means the amount of surface covered by a figure is known as the area of the figure. That means the surface covered by a closed figure. Okay, suppose this is a closed figure. So inside space, the inside surface is known as the area of the figure. Okay, whatever space is inside the any figure, that is known as the area of the figure. Okay, so area is measured in what? Centimeter, square centimeter or square meter. Okay, the unit of area is square centimeter or square meter, like this. That means you have to put square like this. See, 1 square centimeter, it can also be written as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. So 2 means square. Okay, so it can be a meter square or centimeter square, kilometer square, anything. Understood? But perimeter was not like that. Perimeter was simply centimeter, meter, kilometer, like this. Okay, why here saying square? Because two quantities are multiplying here, that's why. This side, like this. Okay, length and breadth, like this. So we'll see one by one the measurement of area of rectangle and square. So number of units needed to cover a surface is called its area. Okay, so smaller surfaces are measured in square centimeters, like this, centimeter square. For example, area of a book, this is a small thing. Large surfaces are measured in what? Square meters. Okay, meter square, for example, a surface area of a park or any land. Okay, and still more larger surfaces are measured in kilometers, kilometer square or square kilometer. For example, the area of a country, the area of a state, like this. Now understood? Now we will see the formula of calculating the area of a rectangle. So one by one see. Okay students, here you can see this is called rectangle. Rectangle means the opposite sides are equal. That means this is ABCD is a rectangle. So this side AB is equal to side CD and this side AD is equal to side BC. That means opposite sides are equal to each other. So this longest side is known as what? Length. Length means L in a short form, length, and this side is called breadth. Okay, or wide, like this. Understood? So what is the area of this rectangle? So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Okay, so this is the area of rectangle. In short, it is written as L into B. Understood? This is the formula of area of rectangle. Now we'll see the area of square. Okay students, here you can see this is a square. A, B, C, D is a square. Square means it has 4 sides, but all sides are equal to each other. Okay, that's why I have written S and S. S means side. Anything can be written A, B, C or anything, but all should be same. All should be equal. So S and S means side. So what is the area of square? Area of square equal to side into side. Okay, so side into side, like this. Understood? So now come to the book. So exercise 8.2 will start. So 1 number question and 2 number question, no need. We'll start from question number 3. Find the area of each rectangle with the following measurements. That means measurements are given, length is given and breadth is given. You have to find the area of rectangle. So how to write it? Let's see. So here you can see you have to write the given things, whatever given. So length equal to 9 centimeter and breadth equal to 7 centimeter given. Then you have to write the formula of the rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, L into B. Now you have to put the values. So what is the value of length? That is 9 into what is the value of breadth? That is 7. So now multiply 9 7 what? 63. So 63 centimeter square, like this you have to write. Okay, if you do not give square, then it is wrong. So 63 centimeter square, that means here centimeter is there, that's why it is centimeter. Understood? In this way you have to do the questions. So you have to do A, B, C and D in homework. So all are same. Now question number 4, find the sides of square with the given area. That means here the area of this square is already given. You have to find the side of this square. Okay. Now let's see question number A. Area is given 64 square meter. So here you can see the area of square is given 64 meter square. Okay. So you have to find the side of this square. So how to find the side of this square? You have to write the formula of the area of this square. So what is the area of square formula? Side into side. Okay, side into side. So you have to write the formula here. Understood? Now write 64 here. Now you have to find the side. So how can you find the side? So side into side here written in this side. Now you have to break this number 64. So how can you break this number? So you have to break this number in multiplication form with that means you have to multiply two same numbers, then it should come 64. So what two numbers you will multiply? Two same numbers, okay, mind it. So what two same numbers you will multiply so that you will get 64? So we know 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 is what? 64. So 8 8 is 64. Then 8 and 8 both are same number. So you will write like this: 8 into 8 meter square. So here, so side into side. Okay. So 8 into 8 is 64. So in this way it is divided into two parts. So side of the square will become this 8 meter in this way. Okay. Because both are same and here also both are same, that means side is 8 meter. In this way you have to find the side of the square by breaking the number into two similar number. Okay, understood? Now rest of the questions are homework B, C and D. So find the missing measurement in each of the following. Missing measurement means you have to see the figure, what figure is given. So this is what it is, a rectangle. So here area of the rectangle is given 120 centimeter square and length is given 12 centimeter. You have to find the breadth of the rectangle. So how can you find the breadth of the rectangle? Let's see. So students, see here. So I have made the figure here. Area is given 120 and length is given 12. You have to find the breadth. So you have to write the quantities. So length is 12 centimeter and area of the rectangle is given 120 centimeter square. Now here below here you have to write the formula of the area of rectangle. So what is the formula of the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, write this one and write here 120. Now you have to write the value of length. What is the length given? 12. Write here 12 and you have to find the breadth. So write B and 120. Now what will happen? This 12 will go in the denominator. Okay, in this way it is transferring. So B equal to 120 divided by 12. So this is the rule of solving the equation. Okay, so any number which is in the multiplication with this any variable, then this number will go down in the denominator and now it will be divided. So when you divide this 12 and 120 like this, then what is coming? 12 1 is 12 and 0, then 0 will go there. So answer is what? 10. So answer is 10 centimeter. So breadth is what? 10 centimeter. In this way you can find the solution of this question. So you have to write the formula first, then put the value in the formula what is given, then divide it by the area. Understood? Okay, now I am solving this question number B. Here area equal to 81 centimeter square given, and you can see it is what? It is a square because you have to find the side, not length and or breadth. Side you have to find out. Okay, let's see. So students, you can see it is a square. Area of square is given 81 centimeter and side you have to find out. So first of all you have to write the area of square equal to 81 centimeter which is given. Now below here you have to write the formula of the square area. So side into side. You know this formula of square is side into side, and now you have to write here 81. Now what you have to do, I have told you already, to find the side you have to what? Break this number into two parts with the same number. So 81, so which number you will multiply 2 times, then it will become 81. So 9 into 9, 9 9 is 81. So you will write here 9 into 9. Okay, here side into side. So now what is the area? So what is the side of this square? Side equal to 9. Okay, side equal to 9 centimeter. So only one number will take. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, you have to break like this. Understood? Okay students, now see the question number 6. All are what? Word problem. A rectangle has a length of 12 centimeter and the width is 3 times smaller. So what is the area of the rectangle? That means the length of the rectangle is given 12 centimeter, but the breadth means width, breadth is not given. So breadth is what? Breadth is 3 times smaller than this length. So how can you find the breadth? Let's see. Okay, here now length of the rectangle is given 12 centimeter and breadth is 3 times smaller than length. That means how can you find the breadth? So whenever anything is 3 times, 2 times, or any times smaller than the previous quantity, so you have to divide it. Okay, simply. So 12 divided by 3. So when you divide 12 divide by 3, then you will get the breadth, because it is breadth is 3 times smaller than the length. So length is 12. So 12 divided by 3, it is what? 3 4 is 12. So answer is 4 centimeter. So breadth is what? 4 centimeter. Understood? Now you can find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle equal length into breadth. So length is 12 into, and breadth we have got 4. So 12 4 is 48. 48 centimeter square. So this is the answer of this question. Understood? Now next question number B. The area of rectangle is 25 square meter. What is the area of 5 such rectangles? So one rectangle area is given 25 centimeter square. What is the area of 5 such rectangles? So you have to multiply. That's it. Now see here, area of one rectangle equal to 25 centimeter given. So in the question asked, area of 5 rectangles will be what? So area of 5 rectangles will be what? 25 into 5, because one rectangle is 25. So 5 rectangles will be what? You have to multiply only. So 25 into 5 is what? 125 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Very simple, right? And the last question, the area of square is 2 square centimeter. What is the area of a figure formed by 20 such squares? So same question like B. Okay. So 1 square area is given 2 centimeter square. What is the area of 20 squares? So 20 into 2, that is 40 square centimeter. That's it. So in this way our exercise 8.2 is complete. So do the remaining questions. Okay. Thank you.